So it's the middle of April, and we are having a day where all of our patients canceled, and this is our building. So I thought I would do a walkthrough of the office so you can see where it is that we work every day. Yep, that's me. Hello. I go in, and because we're podiatry and we have lots of people who have trouble walking, we are right on the first floor. This is our office, and we'll just walk in. This is our waiting room. You can see around here we do have these shoes for diabetic shoes. This is the shoe sanitizer that you've heard me talk about that sterilizes it so you don't keep passing your fungal infection back to yourself. Ooh, our YouTube button. Yay. Our fish, which are very happy right now. And this is Melanie, our wonderful receptionist, who is now our new videographer as well. So thank you. All right, and then this is the door to the inner sanctum. So we're a small office. We have 2 doctors, and this is the room that you usually see the videos coming in from. So it's pretty small, but you can see these are all the photographs that you hear people talking about, and this is our new light. Yay! So that should make the videos look better. And yeah, this is where we have the handpiece with the power that we use to thin things out. And if we go back out here, this is my partner's main room, so I don't do much in here. If we go the other direction, this is where we take x-rays, and we do foot x-rays and ankle x-rays, the occasional hand x-ray, because as I like to remind my hand surgeon friends, you know, hands are just deformed feet. And we continue down the hallway. This is a place we can stand and look at the x-rays with our patients. This is a third treatment room, very much the same as the others. And this is our clean room and procedure room. And the machine right there, that is called a well wave. And it is a different type of ultrasound that we can do here in the office for all kinds of musculoskeletal issues. And this is where my assistant usually sits. She's not in today. This is where we clean and sterilize our instruments, and yes, I do know that is a dinosaur of an autoclave. I bought it when I bought the office in 1993, and you know what? It still works, so there really is no reason to replace it. In here we do scanning for x-rays. We do have over-the-counter inserts for a lot of people who don't need scanning for orthotics. And so these are all our orthotics that are waiting to be dispensed to patients, and we make them out of all different kinds of materials and different top covers, and you get to pick what colors you want. And so we do a lot of these, and these are custom made, and they're made for a specific purpose or a specific issue. And then we go further back down the same hallway, and this is where we keep all our supplies. And then our last room here, this is where I do video treadmill analysis on people, and we also do some foot mobilization therapy, and that's pretty much all we do in this last room. So if we come over here, we come back to the main offices. We have a little microwave. We have our billing office, and then our little employee break room. And then my partner is out of town at a conference today, and this is my messy office. And yes, I'm watching the eagles hatch their eggs on my computer all day, because really what else is there to do? Because that's what the day looks like outside. So that's our office, and this is where I come in every day. Oh, this is a wind trainer that we put a bike on and did a video like we did for a video gait analysis. We had a very serious bike rider, and so we videotaped her riding. And that's about it. So this is where our patients walk when they leave. And Sometimes they go the wrong way, although it says lobby right there. So thank you for coming on the tour of the office, and now you know where I work.